Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes. I told the driver to keep the change. I told the driver to keep the change. Saya bilang ke supir untuk ambil kembaliannya. I told the driver to keep the change. I'm sorry, things end up this way. I'm sorry, things end up this way. Maaf, jadi gini keadaannya. I'm sorry, things end up this way. I no longer love you. I no longer love you. Saya tidak cinta lagi padamu. I no longer love you. Who is with you? Who is with you? Kamu dengan siapa? Who is with you? I remember, but I'm not sure. I remember, but I'm not sure. Saya ingat sih, tapi nggak yakin. Lupa-lupa ingat. I remember, but I'm not sure. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. Terima kasih sebelumnya. Thank you in advance. I don't love you anymore. I don't love you anymore. Saya tidak mencintaimu lagi. I don't love you anymore. That's all from me. That's all from me. Cukup sekian dari saya. That's all from me. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. Itu saja yang harus saya katakan. That's all I have to say. It's too late to apologize. It's too late to apologize. Sudah terlambat untuk minta maaf. It's too late to apologize. Stay out of it. Stay out of it. Jangan ikut campur. Stay out of it. I'll catch up with you later. I'll catch up with you later. Ntar saya nyusul. I'll catch up with you later. What's on TV? What's on TV? Acaranya apa di TV? What's on TV? Keep your promise. Keep your promise. Tepati janjimu. Keep your promise. Which is better? Which is better? Baiknya gimana ya? Which is better? She's always cheerful. She's always cheerful. Dia selalu bahagia. She's always cheerful. Don't break your promise. Don't break your promise. Jangan ingkar janji. Don't break your promise. Thank you for watching and see you soon.